Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where each system lives, then act, backup user data now, and open disk management. Once done, identify the Windows 10 partition and the secondary OS partition by size and labels. Make Windows 10 the default boot entry using emsconfig or EasyBCD so you won't be locked out. You're doing this first to prevent accidental removal of the active system. After you've confirmed Windows boots alone, proceed to remove the other OS partitions safely. Once Windows 10 boots by default, remove the extra boot entry. Run bcdedit as admin or use EasyBCD, select the non-Windows entry, and delete it. Next, open Disk Management, right-click the non-Windows partition and choose Delete Volume. This turns it into unallocated space. Make sure the partition you delete is not labeled System or Boot, otherwise you'll break startup. After deletion, either extend the adjacent Windows volume into the space or create a new data volume. This cleans up the disk layout safely. To finish, reboot and verify Windows 10 starts cleanly. If startup fails, boot Windows Recovery USB and run Startup Repair, or use the command prompt to run bootrec/fixember and bootrec/fixboot. Make sure to rebuild the BCD if necessary with bcd boot c/Windows. If disk management won't modify partitions, use diskpart carefully. List disk, select partition, then delete. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Use your rescue USB and backups. They're the fastest way to recover if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.